For my next video, I'd like to do one on Samsung Galaxy's new S25 Ultra. And this is a brand new device, never been opened, so right now I just want to do the unboxing, and then later on I'm going to do some videos on the best clear screen protectors, cases, etc., etc. So this will be the next big thing for the next year or so at least. So I got mine in jade green, it's called. And let's unbox. So we have our SIM ejection tool. We have some books. And the typical only charging cable. No charger. Samsung, get with it. Okay. And we're going to put all this aside. And then take this out. And for those that are interested, the S24 cases will work on the S25. They're very minute difference, but they will work. The buttons work, everything works. And I'm going to do a video on that later, but just a heads up for that. So it's more of a rounded design. As you can see, it's not squared off. And that is basically all there is for the unboxing. Not terribly exciting, but we'll get more into that in further videos. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.